Did you know that attractive people are often perceived as more intelligent, trustworthy, and successful? It's a fascinating phenomenon that speaks to the power of beauty in our lives. In this video, we're diving into 22 beauty tips to help you command attention. These tips will empower you to embrace your unique beauty and radiate confidence. Get ready to unlock your full potential and put your best self forward. Eyebrows are the unsung heroes of the face. They frame your eyes and transform your look. Identify your natural brow shape: arched, straight, or rounded. Clean up stray hairs and define the shape. Go to a professional for initial shaping. They can help you find a flattering style. There's something undeniably alluring about a bold lip. It's a statement, a declaration of confidence. A bold red lip evokes classic Hollywood glamour, while vibrant fuchsia screams modern chic. The key to rocking a bold lip is confidence. Drinking enough water is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Dehydration can leave your skin looking dull and tired. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Your skin will thank you for it. A solid skincare routine is the foundation of any beauty regimen. Identify your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Cleanse, tone, and moisturize, both morning and night. Take care of your skin to keep it healthy for years. Regular exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. It allows skincare products to work better. Gentle is key. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin. Imagine slathering on expensive serums but not getting desired results. The culprit? Dead skin cells, creating a barrier. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Sun damage leads to premature aging, wrinkles, and skin cancer. Make sunscreen your best friend. Rain or shine, use broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Fragrance is personal. It evokes memories, boosts mood, and leaves an impression. Experiment with floral, oriental, woody, and fresh scents. Try something bold, or stick with a classic scent. A good hair day can make you feel like you can conquer the world. When your hair looks good, you feel good. Experiment with different styles and products. Embrace your natural texture, curly or straight. Beauty sleep isn't a myth. Lack of sleep shows on your face. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates, crucial for a youthful complexion. The skin on your neck and décolletage is delicate and prone to aging. Extend your skincare routine to your neck and chest. Use gentle, upward strokes to prevent sagging. And don't forget sunscreen. These areas are as susceptible to sun damage as your face. Good posture makes you look taller, slimmer, and more confident. Stand straight, shoulders back, and chin parallel to the floor. Imagine a string pulling you up from your head. You'll be amazed at the difference in your appearance. The way you dress impacts how you feel and how others perceive you. Wear clothes that make you feel good. Find your personal style. Experiment and step outside your comfort zone. Accessories are the finishing touch to any outfit. They elevate your look, add personality, and make you stand out. A statement necklace, eye-catching earrings, or a bold scarf can transform your look. Well-chosen accessories make a bigger impact than mismatched pieces. A genuine smile is one of the most attractive things you can wear. It brightens your face and makes you more approachable. Smiling radiates warmth and positivity, drawing people to you. So, make an effort to smile at people you pass by. Eye contact is a powerful form of nonverbal communication. It conveys confidence, establishes connection, and shows you're engaged and interested. Making eye contact tells the other person you see and value them. It's a subtle but significant way to make a lasting impression. A light touch on the arm or shoulder builds rapport and creates connection. Be mindful of personal boundaries. A well-timed touch conveys empathy and warmth. It's a subtle way to connect socially. In a world dominated by self-promotion, being a good listener is rare and valuable. When you truly listen, you show respect, care, and value their presence. People are drawn to those who make them feel heard. So, put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what they say. Asking questions shows intelligence and curiosity. It shows interest in learning about others. Thoughtful questions keep conversations flowing. Ask open-ended questions to encourage sharing. In a world that encourages conformity, being unapologetically yourself is refreshing and attractive. Embrace your quirks and celebrate your individuality. Authenticity radiates confidence and self-acceptance. People are drawn to those comfortable in their own skin. Passion is contagious. When you're passionate, your eyes light up. You speak with animation, and your energy becomes infectious. People are drawn to those excited about life. Embrace your passions and let them shine through. There's something incredibly attractive about someone who is kind and gives back to others. When you volunteer, donate, or offer a helping hand, you radiate warmth and generosity. Find a cause that resonates with you and give back. Your kindness will not go unnoticed. Confidence is the most attractive quality. Believe in yourself, know your worth, and own your unique gifts. Exude confidence to attract attention and admiration. Cultivating confidence is an inside-out job. True beauty reflects how you feel about yourself. Embrace your individuality, highlight your strengths, and care for yourself inside and out. Radiance comes from confidence, self-love, and a positive mindset. When you feel good, it shows. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button for new videos.